What is up, little lovers? I'm back again with the slime giveaway. The first one to subscribe gets this yellow slime plus a gallon of glue. But I can't show you right now because it's in my closet and I have a key for that. So yeah. But you get a big white gallon of glue and a clear glue with this yellow slime. It's so satisfying. And yeah, you're gonna get I just ordered a clear Elmer's glue, so you will get that in like a week or like about 3 days, because it said it's coming 3 days. About 4 days it'll come. 3 days, 2 days. Cause I could just get it in advance. Yeah, so I already have the white glue, but I don't have the clear glue because it's shipping. It's gonna come in 2 days. So yeah. But the slime, I'm getting a giveaway. So you get a clear slime and a white slime gallon, and this yellow slime. Well, big yellow slime. And you'll get some like containers, like different like kind of containers, like these tops containers and stuff. Yeah. So just wanted to let you know that. So the first subscriber will get the 2 gallons of glue and slime. And I will be announcing the winners on September 7th, I think. No, September 5th. September 5th, that's tomorrow. No, I'll be watching the winners at September 5th, and September 6th I'll announce them. So yeah. So thanks for being in my. I hope you guys win. I hope one of you guys win. Bye. And love slime. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.